Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these three beautiful, easy home decor projects. The first one we're going to be making is really simple. All you're going to need is one of these cinnamon broomsticks. And I got two of them at Dollar Tree, and they smell really, really good. So what you do is just go ahead and open it from the package, and it already has a hook, so in case you want to hang it. And what I did was I grabbed some fresh rosemary and some rope, and I'm just going to tie the rope around the rosemary and then simply attach it to my cinnamon broom. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this is one of these old wives' tales that my mother showed me, and I've just learned along the way that if you actually put a cinnamon stick or cinnamon and some rosemary or lavender by your door, it just takes away all the negativity and please everyone that comes into your home. So it's just something that I've always done. Placed one right in front of my front door and also in my back door. So what I did was I just go ahead and added the rosemary to my broomstick. I thought this was really cute and perfect, even if you don't use it for what I use it for. It's just really a cute little accessory that you can add to any decor area in your home for the holidays, especially for Halloween. So just go ahead and tie the rope around your broom, and then you can leave it as is and decorate it any way you want, adding ribbons or anything like that. I just went ahead and added a selenite crystal right in front, and I just added a little bit of hot glue right to my crystal because it is heavy, and I'm going to attach it to my rosemary. And then just wrap your rope around it, and there you have it, an adorable holiday decor piece that actually smells really good in your home too. But again, like I said, I use it for something else, but you can easily use it just for the holidays. And since I wanted to share with you how I made my second little mini broomstick, what I used is some of these flowers that I got from Solo Wood Flowers. So what I did was I just went ahead and I attached them onto the top of my mini broomstick just with some hot glue. But before I added my flowers, I went ahead and just grabbed some of this tan neutral color nautical rope and just made a simple bow onto my broom. So you can decorate these little broomsticks any way you want. Like I said, they do smell really good and it does last a while. I've had mine out for about a week, and when you do pass by them, they do smell. Now, they're not gonna make your entire home smell like cinnamon, unlike the larger cinnamon sticks that you can get right now. But this one does smell really pretty. So if you put it in a smaller room, like in your closet or something like that, it would make the whole entire room smell really pretty too. So just go ahead and add as many flowers as you like onto the top of your broomstick. And I just trimmed off my rope. And then what I did was I unraveled that nautical rope just to make it look more fuller. And there you have it. And for our third and final decoration piece that I made was I had some of these wooden acorns from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was grab some black paint and I went ahead and painted just the bottom part of the acorn black. I had seen something like this on Pinterest and I thought it looked really pretty and simple for the holidays. They actually I had seen it in some of the Christmas decorations, and I thought this was really pretty that I could leave out not just for fall but all into Christmas as well. So what I did again was just grab my paint and paint the bottom part of my acorn. Now I'm painting it black, but you can easily make more of a fall color and paint it like forest green or a rustic orange, or even keep it more farmhouse and paint them white. Let me know what color you're going to paint yours. So I went ahead and just painted all of them, and it's really simple, just one easy good layer, and that's all it needed. I love these kind of projects. They have this simple, easy way of making your home look really pretty and elegant. And it seems like you spent a lot of time and a lot of money, but you really didn't. I mean, each one of these projects basically $1, and just ended up using things from outdoors or even things that I had in my stash of crafting supplies. So once all of the acorns were dry, all I did was get some fishing wire string, and I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around and tie a knot onto each one of these acorns. And the length of the rope that you're using, you can measure it out, but I kind of just eyeballed it, and I knew how long how long I wanted them, the longest one to be, so I kind of just cut them all that length, and then just went ahead and started trimming them and cutting them shorter as I tied them onto my branch. So again, just wrap it around one time on the top, and then go ahead and tie a knot, and then just go ahead and maybe 2 or 3 times to double knot it, and it stays in place. As you can see, you can also add a little bit of hot glue right at the knot. Just be very careful, make sure your hot glue gun is not on high heat, because it will basically melt that fishing wire, and then it is going to pop off. So just be very careful and add just a little bit if you wanted to, or even a dot of super glue would be perfect. So once you're done putting the rope onto all of your acorns, what you're gonna do is go ahead and go outside, or look for any kind of branch at a park or even in your backyard from a tree, the size you want and the length you want it. Just make sure it kind of has a unique design to it. That way you can hang these acorns onto it. So this is the one I picked. Now I am going to trim it slightly smaller, but I left it as is until I put all my acorns onto it. That way I can see where I need to fill in a space and how long I want each one of the branches to be. So I just went ahead and kind of eyeballed them and just tied them different lengths from the branches themselves. And I just double knotted the string again, but you can also add some super glue or hot glue. Just again, be very careful with that hot glue to make sure that it isn't too hot, so the rope won't bust open. So just kind of randomly place them throughout your branches. You can put them as many as you want. I only used one package for the size that I did, but again, you can use as many as you like onto whichever branch you decide to use. So here I am just trimming it off. I'm kind of eyeballing it. Then I just trimmed everything up, and this is the way it finally looked. So I hope you like these 3 easy home decor projects, perfect for all year or just fall or Christmas. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.